Revolutionizing AI, Extropic AI secures $14.1 million funding for groundbreaking accelerator chip development. Date, August 2, 2025. Overview. On December 4, 2023, Extropic AI, a pioneering company in physics-based computing, emerged from stealth mode to announce a significant milestone: the successful closure of a $14.1 million seed funding round. This funding aims to accelerate the development of innovative accelerator chips designed to revolutionize generative AI. Founded by Guillaume Verdon in 2022, Extropic AI is at the forefront of integrating thermodynamic principles into AI technology, promising to redefine the landscape of computational efficiency. Key developments. 1. Funding announcement. Extropic AI disclosed its seed funding led by Kindred Ventures with participation from notable investors including Buckley Ventures, HOF Capital, and several prominent angel investors from the technology sector. This capital will facilitate the fabrication of superconducting prototype processors and the development of room temperature semiconductor devices. Source 2. 2. Innovative approach. The heart of Extropic's innovation lies in its application of out-of-equilibrium thermodynamics, enabling it to perform probabilistic computations essential for generative AI applications. Unlike traditional digital hardware that allocates a substantial portion of processing time to data management, Extropic's chips aim to execute computations more efficiently by leveraging physical processes. This innovative computing paradigm is poised to enhance the speed and effectiveness of generative AI. Source 2. Source 3. 3. Expert team. The company is backed by a multidisciplinary team with extensive expertise in physics and AI, many of whom have previously worked at renowned organizations such as Google AI, AWS, and IBM. This collective experience equips Extropic to tackle complex challenges in AI acceleration. Source 3. 4. Vision for the future. Extropic envisions a fundamental shift in computing where generative AI is harmoniously integrated with thermodynamic principles. The company aims to create a new computational framework that operates efficiently within the natural constraints of entropy, addressing the growing demand for scalable computational power. Source 2. Source 3. Common themes across sources. Innovative approach. All sources underscore Extropic's unique utilization of thermodynamic principles to accelerate AI computations. Investor confidence. The funding announcement is portrayed as a critical turning point, reflecting the confidence of diverse investors in Extropic's vision and technology. Team expertise. The interdisciplinary nature of Extropic's team is consistently highlighted as a significant factor in the company's potential success. Differences between sources. Source accessibility. Source 1 was blocked and thus could not provide additional insights or context. Focus variations. While sources 2 and 3 emphasize the technical aspects of Extropic's innovations and team qualifications, source 3 includes a more philosophical perspective on the future of computing. Timeline of events. 2022, Extropic is founded by Guillaume Verdon to explore physics-based computing. December 4, 2023, the company announces its $14.1 million seed funding and exits stealth mode. March 15, 2024, Extropic releases its light paper detailing its innovative approach to AI acceleration. Conclusion. Extropic AI is positioned to lead a transformative shift in generative AI technology, harnessing the principles of thermodynamics to redefine computational processes. With robust funding and a talented team, the company is poised to make impactful contributions to the future of AI, addressing the increasing demand for advanced computational capabilities. Contact information. For press inquiries, please reach out to Press Relations, press@extropic.com. Website, extropic.ai/www.extropic.ai. Social media, follow us on X, Twitter for updates. 1. Counterintuitive use of thermodynamics. Traditional computing paradigms often focus on minimizing energy consumption and managing entropy, which is typically viewed as a liability. However, Extropic AI's approach embraces out-of-equilibrium thermodynamics, suggesting that leveraging entropy can enhance computational efficiency. This inversion of conventional wisdom, viewing entropy as an asset rather than a problem, challenges long-standing beliefs in computing. 2. Reimagining computers. Extropic proposes a fundamental redefinition of what constitutes a computer. Instead of the current model of being programmed to suppress natural entropy, the vision includes computers that integrate with natural processes and self-organize. This perspective implies a shift towards a more organic and less mechanical understanding of computation, suggesting that future computers could learn and adapt in ways that traditional systems cannot, contradicting the notion that computation must be strictly controlled and deterministic. 3. Interdisciplinary team dynamics. The team's background includes a significant number of members from quantum computing, an area often associated with extreme complexity and high barriers to entry. Their pivot to a thermodynamics-based approach signifies a strategic rejection of the belief that quantum computing is the only pathway to achieving advanced AI. This move highlights a broader trend where the boundaries of disciplines are blurred, suggesting that breakthroughs might come from integrating knowledge across fields rather than adhering strictly to established norms. 4. Investment in uncertain technologies. The significant investment of $14.1 million in a relatively nascent company operating on a non-traditional computing paradigm may seem risky. However, it reflects a counterintuitive trend in venture capital where investors are increasingly willing to fund speculative technologies that challenge existing frameworks. This indicates a growing belief that conventional computing methods may soon reach their limits, prompting a search for radically new approaches which could transform the AI landscape. 5. Thought efficiency without quantum mechanics. While many discussions about advanced AI computing focus on quantum technology as the future, Extropic strategy suggests that efficient computation can be achieved without relying on quantum mechanics. This is counter to the prevailing notion that quantum mechanics is essential for next-generation computing, raising questions about the future viability of quantum approaches if alternative methods prove more practical. 6. Potential for self-programming systems. The idea that future computers might naturally find a way to program themselves contradicts the current understanding of programming as a human-driven manual process. This leap into self-organization and adaptive systems introduces a paradigm where machines evolve autonomously, which may lead to ethical and operational complexities not present in traditional computing models. 7. Impact on energy production. Extropic's technology aims to scale generative AI without the need for increased energy production, which challenges the assumption that technological advancements must be accompanied by higher energy demands. This could radically change the narrative around environmental impact and sustainability in tech development, suggesting that innovation can lead to lower resource consumption rather than escalating energy needs. 8. Philosophical implications. The philosophical underpinning of creating a computer that harmonizes with entropy raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence and computation. If future systems can operate based on principles found in nature, it may lead to a re-evaluation of the definitions of intelligence and consciousness, challenging the anthropocentric views that dominate current AI discussions. 9. Scalability of new paradigms. Historically, new technologies take time to scale. However, Extropic's claims that their chips could unlock a new regime of AI acceleration suggest that breakthroughs may come faster than anticipated. This counterintuitive speed of innovation could disrupt existing timelines and expectations surrounding the adoption of new technologies in AI and computing. 10. Emergence from stealth mode. The decision to emerge from stealth mode with a bold funding announcement is a strategic move that counters the typical approach of gradual disclosure in the tech industry. It signifies confidence in their technology and market readiness, suggesting that there may be a shift in how startups choose to engage with the public and investors, emphasizing transparency and boldness over caution. The report on Extropic AI's recent funding and technological advancements presents several key insights and developments that could easily be overlooked by the general audience. Here are the critical points that merit deeper examination and their significance. 1. Physics-based computing paradigm. One of the report's most groundbreaking aspects is Extropic AI's approach to leveraging out-of-equilibrium thermodynamics for generative AI. This is significant because traditional computing methods primarily rely on binary logic and fixed architectures, leading to inefficiencies in handling complex probabilistic computations. By shifting to a thermodynamic model, Extropic AI opens up the possibility of more efficient computation that aligns with natural physical processes. This could lead to a paradigm shift in how we think about computing, potentially enabling new forms of AI that could learn and adapt in ways that current systems cannot. 2. Energy efficiency and scalability. The report underscores the company's ambition to create a computer that operates in harmony with natural entropy, potentially revolutionizing the energy consumption landscape of AI. Most current AI systems are energy-intensive, requiring substantial computational resources that contribute to environmental concerns regarding sustainability. Extropic's vision of a more energy-efficient computing model not only addresses these issues but also suggests a scalable solution that could handle the growing demands for computational power associated with generative AI. This is crucial as the global need for sustainable technology grows. 3. Interdisciplinary team. The expertise of Extropic's team, drawn from diverse fields such as physics, AI, and engineering, is a noteworthy aspect. The team's background, including experience from major tech companies like Google and IBM, indicates a robust foundation for innovation. This interdisciplinary approach is significant as it combines theoretical knowledge with practical applications, fostering creativity and problem-solving that are essential for groundbreaking technology development. Many startups falter due to a lack of diverse expertise, making Extropic's team composition a strong indicator of its potential for success. 4. Innovative use of funding. The seed funding of $14.1 million backed by well-known investors highlights the confidence the investment community has in Extropic AI's vision and technology. This funding is not just a financial boost, it signifies a belief in the potential of their technology to redefine computation. The strategic allocation of this funding toward developing superconducting prototype processors and room temperature semiconductor devices indicates a clear roadmap toward tangible outcomes. The significance lies in how this funding can accelerate research and development, leading to quicker advancements that could disrupt existing markets. 5. Potential impact on generative AI. The promise of Extropic AI's technology to enable new capabilities in generative AI is a critical point that deserves greater attention. The ability to perform probabilistic computations more effectively can lead to advancements in various AI applications, from natural language processing to image generation. This could not only enhance the performance of existing models but also pave the way for entirely new applications that were previously thought to be unattainable. Such advancements could revolutionize industries ranging from entertainment to healthcare. 6. Long-term vision and philosophical outlook. The report also alludes to a philosophical shift in computing paradigms, moving from a traditional rigid approach to one that embraces the fluidity of natural processes. This vision is significant because it invites a broader discourse on the future of technology, encouraging thinkers and innovators to consider how emerging technologies can integrate more harmoniously with the physical world. This could lead to a more sustainable and ethical approach to technology development, moving away from exploitative practices towards a model that respects natural laws. In conclusion, while the report outlines the essential facts about Extropic AI's funding and technological innovations, these deeper insights reveal the broader implications of the company's work. By focusing on physics-based computing, energy efficiency, and interdisciplinary approach, strategic funding utilization, potential advancements in generative AI, and a philosophical rethinking of technology, Extropic AI positions itself as a pioneer in the next wave of computational technology. These aspects are significant not only for the company's future but also for the broader implications they hold for the tech industry and society at large. 1. Innovative approach to AI acceleration. Extropic AI's groundbreaking approach to generative AI hinges on its utilization of out-of-equilibrium thermodynamics. This innovative paradigm aims to redefine computational efficiency by allowing physical processes to perform probabilistic calculations necessary for AI applications. Traditional digital hardware often gets bogged down with data transfers consuming valuable processing time. In contrast, Extropic's accelerator chips are designed to run these computations physically and energetically, potentially unlocking a new level of performance that could significantly enhance the speed and efficiency of generative AI systems. This approach not only addresses the limitations of current technologies but also opens the door to new possibilities in how AI can be implemented at scale. 2. Significant funding and investor confidence. The recent announcement of Extropic AI securing $14.1 million in seed funding serves as a critical benchmark in its development. This funding round, led by Kindred Ventures and supported by a diverse array of angel investors from the tech industry, reflects a strong belief in Extropic's vision and technological potential. The capital will be instrumental in advancing the company's objectives, such as the fabrication of superconducting prototype processors and the development of room-temperature semiconductor devices. This financial backing is indicative of the growing interest and investment in innovative AI solutions, particularly those that challenge conventional computing paradigms. 3. Interdisciplinary team expertise. Extropic AI's success is underpinned by a highly skilled interdisciplinary team composed of experts from both physics and AI. The team includes former members from leading tech giants like Google AI, AWS, and IBM, which positions Extropic uniquely to tackle the complex challenges in AI acceleration. The combined expertise in theoretical physics, information theory, and practical engineering equips the company to innovate at the intersection of these fields. This diverse background not only enhances the company's credibility but also fosters a collaborative environment conducive to pioneering new technologies. 4. Vision for a new computing paradigm. Extropic AI is not merely focused on enhancing existing technologies, it is on a mission to redefine the concept of computing itself. The company envisions a future where computation is harmonized with the natural principles of thermodynamics, essentially creating a computer that operates in symbiosis with entropy rather than against it. This revolutionary outlook could lead to a paradigm shift in how we understand and implement computing, particularly in relation to generative AI, by achieving unprecedented levels of efficiency in spacetime and energy. Such a vision not only positions Extropic at the forefront of AI technology but also addresses the increasing demand for scalable computational power in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. In summary, Extropic AI is poised to make significant contributions to the field of AI through its innovative use of thermodynamics, strong investor backing, a skilled interdisciplinary team, and a visionary approach to computing. These elements collectively underscore the potential transformative impact of Extropic AI on the future of generative AI technology. 1. The development of the transistor. 1947, the invention of the transistor by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Labs revolutionized electronic circuits and paved the way for modern computing. Just as Extropic AI seeks to redefine computation through thermodynamic principles, the transistor fundamentally changed how information was processed and transmitted, leading to the development of integrated circuits and microprocessors that form the backbone of today's computers. 2. The launch of the Internet. 1960s to 1990s. Originally developed as ARPANET, the Internet transformed communication and information sharing across the globe. Its development involved innovative approaches to networking and data transfer that broke away from traditional methods. Similar to how Extropic AI is leveraging new physical principles to enhance AI processing, the Internet's evolution reshaped the landscape of technology and connectivity, enabling new paradigms of information exchange and interaction. 3. The rise of quantum computing. 1980s present, pioneered by researchers like Richard Feynman and David Deutsch. Quantum computing represents a significant shift in computational capability. Utilizing principles of quantum mechanics to process information in fundamentally different ways than classical computers. Extropic AI's focus on thermodynamics and novel computational paradigms mirrors the transformative potential of quantum computing, as both seek to leverage natural processes to achieve efficiencies and capabilities beyond conventional systems. Future outlook, predictions for Extropic AI and the evolution of generative AI technologies. As Extropic AI embarks on its journey to revolutionize generative AI through innovative accelerator chip technology, several key trends and predictions can be articulated regarding the future of both the company and the broader landscape of artificial intelligence. Given the foundational technology and robust funding secured, we can anticipate significant developments in various domains. 1. Advancements in computational efficiency. Extropic AI's utilization of out-of-equilibrium thermodynamics for probabilistic computations is poised to set a new standard in computing efficiency. By directly addressing the efficiency bottlenecks of traditional digital hardware, particularly the time spent on data transfers, Extropic's technology may lead to a paradigm shift. We predict that within the next 5 years, generative AI applications will be able to operate at unprecedented speeds and lower energy costs, opening the door for real-time processing in complex applications such as natural language understanding, image generation, and beyond. 2. Integration of physics with AI. The fusion of generative AI with thermodynamic principles marks a significant departure from conventional computational paradigms. As Extropic AI continues to refine its technology, we foresee an entire industry emerging around physics-based AI computing. This will likely inspire further research and development in related fields such as quantum computing and neuromorphic computing, leading to new hybrid architectures that leverage the strengths of multiple computational frameworks. 3. Increased demand for scalable AI solutions. As AI continues to permeate various sectors, from healthcare to finance and entertainment, the demand for scalable, energy-efficient AI solutions will surge. Extropic's technology, which promises to harmonize computation with natural entropy, could meet this demand head-on. By 2030, we expect that companies utilizing Extropic's chips will experience a substantial competitive advantage, leading to widespread adoption across industries that rely heavily on generative AI. 4. Enhanced AI capabilities. The advancements in hardware driven by Extropic AI will likely lead to breakthroughs in the capabilities of generative AI models. We predict that by 2028, generative AI will not only produce high-quality content more efficiently but will also exhibit a deeper understanding of context and user intent. This shift could enhance user experiences in applications like virtual assistants, content creation, and personalized marketing, making AI an even more integral part of daily life. 5. Interdisciplinary collaboration in AI development. Extropic's team, which combines expertise in physics and AI, sets a precedent for future AI development teams. We predict that the trend of interdisciplinary collaboration will become more pronounced, leading to innovative solutions that draw from various fields of study. By 2030, we may see a new wave of AI startups and research initiatives that blend insights from neuroscience, biology, and materials science with AI to solve complex problems. 6. Regulatory and ethical considerations. As generative AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, regulatory frameworks will need to evolve. We anticipate that by 2025, discussions around the ethical implications of AI, including biases in AI-generated content and the environmental impact of AI technologies, will gain momentum. Extropic AI's commitment to energy efficiency might position it favorably within regulatory discussions as energy consumption becomes a critical concern. 7. Market dynamics and competitive landscape. With its recent funding and innovative approach, Extropic AI is positioned to disrupt the current market landscape significantly. Companies that invest in similar technologies or adapt to Extropic's paradigm shift in computing could emerge as competitors or collaborators. By 2030, we predict a more fragmented AI market with specialized players focusing on niche applications enabled by advanced computing paradigms. 8. Global AI ecosystems and partnerships. As Extropic AI continues to grow, we foresee the establishment of ecosystems around its technology, fostering collaboration between academia, industry, and government entities. Partnerships may emerge to explore real-world applications of Extropic's technology, from climate modeling to drug discovery. By 2028, we expect these collaborations to yield significant breakthroughs demonstrating the practical benefits of physics-based computing. Conclusion: Extropic AI stands at the forefront of a potentially transformative era in generative AI and computing technology. By harnessing the principles of thermodynamics and combining them with cutting-edge AI research, the company is poised to redefine the future of computation. The next decade will likely witness a cascade of advancements that not only enhance the capabilities of AI but also reshape the broader technological landscape, creating new opportunities and addressing pressing global challenges. As we look to the future, the impact of Extropic AI's innovations could resonate across industries, fundamentally changing how we interact with technology.